Now, dear students, hope you will be fine. As we know that in multimedia, authoring programs are available on several platforms and provide tools for transforming and converting files and program from one to another. For example, we have a .NET language and we have a Java language. So, in order to provide cross-platform capabilities, means this program is converted into this type and the program or application we develop into this language will be converted to a Java application. So this is known as cross-platform capability. Now, short form, we can say that it refers to the capability of software or hardware to run identically on different platforms. As I have told you, the application developed in this will be runnable on this platform and the application developed on this will be runnable on this platform. So let us understand the computing process of the cross-platform capability. Now, in computing, we can say that a cross-platform software is a computer software that is implemented on multiple computing platforms. Cross-platform capability softwares are divided into two types. Number one, we can say that require individual buildings or compilation of each platform, and the other we can say that runs directly on any platform with special preparations. Now, in this, the platform means we have a type of processor. Now, in short form, we can say that platform can refer to the type of CPU or other hardware on which the system or multimedia application runs. Now, this we have hardware platform. Now, a hardware platform refers to the instruction set architecture. Now, we have different type of software platforms. To develop any type of multimedia applications. For example, we can say that a software platform can either be an operating system or programming environment on which the multimedia application is developed. Now, for example, we have different type of platforms, that is we have BlackBerry, we have Android platform to develop any multimedia application, we have .NET framework that is developed by Microsoft Corporation, we have Java platform that is developed by Sun Microsystem to develop any multimedia applications, we have web browser that are more compatible with each other running. For example, we can say that we have JavaScript for web, we have PlayStation 4 that is implemented on 8080 architecture, we have PlayStation 3 to incorporate the sound, that is known as, we can say that we have Power PCs, we have PlayStation Vita, that is for ARM. Now we have BST that is used in many platforms. Now the BST stands for Berkeley Software Distributions. Now, so hope you have understood these type of platforms. We have hardware platform, we have software platform. So with the help of this, we can run an application developed in one platform to another platform. Hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.